Hi, this is Andy Carlson. I own a couple Ace Hardware stores in Denver, Colorado, and today we're going to talk about how to connect a new propane tank to your Weber gas barbecue. If you grill a lot, like I do, this is something you have to do very often. So the first step is to make sure that everything is turned off. So check the dial on your grill, make sure you see the off marking lined up with the starter, and then on your tank that you got, make sure that the valve is closed. There's an arrow facing in each direction, and you want to make sure that it's tight against the close. That's how it's going to be when you bring it home, so just leave it in that configuration. Then you want to locate the connector. It's going to look like this, plastic ring, and you're going to insert it into the new tank. You just want to tighten it down hand tight. If it's winter and it's cold outside, you might want to use a rag on top of that just so you can get it tight enough, because when your hand is cold, it's hard to get it as tight as you want it. Once you have the tank hooked up, you want to turn it on at the tank first. Never turn it part way on, turn it all the way on at the tank. And then once you've got it turned on there, you can turn it on at the grill and press your igniter to start the grill. That's as easy as it is. I'm Andy Carlson with Ace Hardware in Denver, Colorado. Hope you learned today how to hook up a new propane tank to your Weber gas barbecue.